For the first time, Pakistan has officially confirmed that 10 to 15 terrorists may have entered India from Pakistan. The country's powerful Interior Minister, Chaudhry Nisar, told this to the Senate of Pakistan and confirmed that the Pakistani government, he also confirmed that the Pakistani government had shared this information with India as well. Now, this is the first time that a key minister of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif's cabinet is confirming this on record, and perhaps for the first time ever, that Pakistan has alerted India about a possible terror attack. Remember, just 2 days ago, a multi-city terror alert was issued after intelligence information that suspected terrorists of the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Jaish-e-Mohammed may have infiltrated through the Gujarat-Pakistan border and sneaked into Delhi, possibly planning a major terror strike. Security in public places with high footfall and key installations have been tightened.